What's up guys, Vivo is launching many smartphones for the year 2020 and the new upcoming phone is the Vivo Y9s. The Vivo S1 Pro that debuted in the Philippines recently now hit the Chinese market. However, since the S1 Pro moniker is already occupied in that market, it has a new name called Vivo Y9s. It has an unusual rhombus-shaped camera setup on the back, but the LED flash is outside the shape. Looking down the spec sheet, the Vivo Y9s comes with a 6.38-inch OLED panel with a water drop notch for the 32MP selfie camera. The chipset is Snapdragon 665 and which is coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. There is a 48MP of main camera on the back joined by an 8MP ultra-wide-angle shooter. There are also a macro lens and a depth sensor to bring the total amount of camera to 4. The heavily modified user interface keeps the name FunTouch OS instead of Jovi OS. The phone also has a 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C port on the bottom and a huge 4500 mAh of battery. The price is kept around $298 in the international market and €255. That is slightly cheaper than the variants over at the Philippines, and the Chinese fan get not only the fancy sky and night black colors but also the third gradient option called Nebula Blue. This phone will soon launch in other Asian countries and European countries. This is all about the upcoming Vivo Y9s. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.